Hi friends, this is Hani Amiri. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm glad to see you here. And if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working as affiliate since 2015. And today I'm gonna do a small change by starting a tutorial videos. And I think it's better to show you my website so that you have an idea on what I'm doing right now. So if you do type on your browser honeyamri.com, honeyamri.com. This is my website, honeyamri.com. We are here on the home page, and this I like it. This let's go extra miles. I mean, everything you can go extra mile by giving more details, by dig deeper, or present yourself much more better. This element you can subscribe to my newsletter. I mean, join my email list. I usually share a lot of information, articles. I also send my offers to my subscribers, and you will enjoy it really. Here is an article showing some of my thoughts in life and in work, things like this. And if you wanna check or understand or know more information about me, you can go here to read all my story. This is my parents, my dad and my mom, and here is a very old photo since I guess early 1982 something. This is my village, and my whole story is here from my childhood, my working journey, my family, and my thoughts, my current business, like a traditional business, not the online business, and also my contact details. Have a look. It's really interesting. It's a really interesting life and work journey. And let's go back to the site. Here you can links, or you can go to my social media, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And here is my blogs. It's really interesting. I did a lot of work, and there is a lot of efforts here. You can read it. It's really interesting and unique. I wrote it myself. From here you can reach the testimonials, but you already have on the menu. The same element is to subscribe to my email list if you want. And the second item in the menu is about Hani Amri. I mean, I have shared my values here. I've listed all my values here, and there is a really nice and good article. I've read it somewhere. Then I found it really interesting, and also I'm gonna read it to you. It doesn't matter where you come from, where are you born, the color of your skin, on how much money you will bear into. It matters where you decide to place yourself, the people you surround yourself with, and how you choose to carry yourself. You may live your whole life thinking that you are a $2 stone, but everybody has a diamond inside them, so we can choose to surround ourselves with people that see our value, see the diamond inside of us. We can choose to put ourselves in the markets, or put ourselves in a precious stone store, and you can also choose to see the value of other people. You can help other people to see the diamond inside of them. Choose the people you surround yourself wisely, and that all can make a difference in your life. This is really good. I mean, like everyone to read it many times, so that he keeps yourself surrounded by a successful people. Also, to keep giving values to people all the time. It's required or needed, especially your surrounding. Here you can go to watch my products, the products I'm already promoting right now, and also one more place to subscribe to my email list. Let's go now to the products. I'm currently focusing on promote this really exciting and good product, which is the 4% products. But now I'm not focusing because this platform will be updated. We are waiting the launch of the new version, which is 4.0. I guess next month it will be ready. And also here you can go to check this details of this offer. It's really interesting, and so on. Here is the blog. I spoke about it, and there is I publish once a week almost. You can check it this now. And here is a testimonial for some of my colleagues or friends or the members of the same platform I'm promoting mainly right now. And here you can contact me, submit a request for anything you want for any more details. My friend, this is, consider it your home on the internet. This is your hub. You can put all your information. You can put all your history and you all your thoughts. What do you think? This is your home, and you. I'm not like doing it right now, but of course you can monetize this website by driving traffic later. But because I'm focusing on something else, so I'm not doing this right now, but for sure it will be. So please go ahead and try to find your home, your on the internet, your online presence. It's so important. Your photos, your trips, your history, your contacts, any thoughts, you can put it here. It's really nice and good, and will move you forward to be a successful business owner in the internet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, please drop me a line, please check my social media links and my offers, and I will see you very soon. Thank you.